With its luxurious high gloss sheen and smooth curved doors, our Raffello family can transform any ordinary kitchen into a sleek and contemporary living space for all. Available in a range of vibrant colours, you can keep the look all neutral or mix and match with one of our colour accent doors to add a splash of personality to your kitchen. There's a range of options for cupboards, including design favourites like our tall larder units, integrated fridges and bifold doors, and of course a soft close option. This Triassic worktop is from our gemstone range, made from 85% recyclable materials like glass, shell and mirror, which gives it that sparkle whilst remaining tougher than granite. Like all our ranges, Raffello kitchens are available with a fantastic choice of coordinating Cooke Lewis sinks, taps and appliances, perfect for adding those final finishing touches to any look. At Cooke Lewis, we believe your kitchen should be the heart of your home and a room that you will truly love to live in for many years to come.